Hey, Jimmy, get my dog.
Okay, this one.
Okay, Kamu na sabi mo, no? Iyan lagi ka namin. Welcome to my channel. This is Hattie. I'm Dini. Today, I'm going to unbox this volcano eruption.
Okay.
Volcano! Come on, second. Because so it comes in a manual.
Show the manual. Ayan. So,
This is sodium bicarbonate, and this one is
citric acid.
citric acid.
Show them.
We need to use these goggles to protect our eyes. Scoop of sodium bicarbonate. And 1 scoop of citric acid.
Good.
Mix them all together. Draw by water,
Okay.
like this.
Yeah, you see? Can you show us?
Then drop the water to the volcano. Okay? Come on.
Sige, go. Wow! More water. More water. More.
Be careful.
Wow.
Be careful.
Wow!
Wow, so good. This is cool. Bye guys, see you on our next vlog. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification below. Bye!